हामी चाहिँ जाँदैछौँ अब फेरि बेलङ्कनी माता दर्शन गर्नु बाहिर चाहिँ इट्स लाइक ओभन गर्मी छ अलिक पानी परेको छ पर्न चाहिँ तर इट्स लाइक ओभन एकदमै गर्मी सो हामी चाहिँ अब माताकोमा गोइङ टु अफर क्यान्डल्स दाइ यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ दाइ छ अगाडि क्यान्डल 100 रुपियाँको अझै किन्नु पर्ला है एउटा आशु भएको नामको त्यहाँ बोल्छ हो त्यो आशु भएको नाम हालिदिनुहोस् पानी पऱ्यो यता चाहिँ हो यही हो दिस इज बेलङ्कनी शीतल भएछ जस हामीलाई चाहिँ भगवानले पनि साथ दियो हामीलाई चाहिँ किनभने So where can we light our candle? Candle, where can we light? Inside? Inside? We can click video. So this is the main church that we can go afterwards. We'll be going, and this is Velankani, the place where Mother Mary had given a blessing to her devotees. अरूहरू पनि छ गर्मी चाहिँ एकदम गर्मी छ है यहाँ यस्तो पानी पर्ला जस्तो त्यो पनि गर्मी छ है पुरै भप्पी पसिना आएर अब यहाँ चाहिँ घुँडा टेकेर जाँदैछ सानो बच्चाहरू पनि घुँडा टेकेर जाँदैछ है यहाँबाट चाहिँ जाने होला घुँडा टेक्दै होइन अब टेक्ने भने नि त ल टेक्दै हिँड्नु नि त ल यहाँ सुरु गर्नु ल This is Velankani, where if you do like this and go, then all your wishes, dreams can be fulfilled. I think so. घुँडा टेकेर जानुपर्ने हामीले चाहिँ हाकपट्टि लगाएको छ त्यही भएर चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ गाह्रो भयो खोपेर यसरी चाहिँ फुल कट्टु लगाउनु पर्ने रहेछ आइडिया भएन है सबैले फुल कट्टु लगाएर जाँदैछ निशान चाहिँ छ अब अर्को पालि चाहिँ आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ फुल प्यान्ट लगाउने अनि गर्ने सबैजना यहाँदेखि गरेर सकाएर उतासम्म पुगेर अनि आउँदो रहेछ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो होली वाटरको प्याकेजहरू होली वाटर लिन हामी जाँदैछौँ है
होली वाटर भनेको अरूले चाहिँ होल वाटर सम्झे होइन पवित्र पानी
हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ दर्शन गरेर सकायौँ वी हेभ अलरेडी भिजिटेड दिस टेम्पल नाउ वी आर गोइङ फर बिरयानी हन्ट आवर मिस्टर मथी इज टेकिङ अस टु द बेस्ट बिरयानी pineapple juice guys it's a watermelon so here we are with Mr. Mathi and he's guiding us from yesterday and he will be now guiding us to the beach as well and then after that we'll go to the bigger beach, right? It is 40 kilometers away from here.
40 kilometers, it's a big beach.
Big beach?
It's a small beach.
This is a small beach, okay. So first of all we are going to a small beach and then afterwards we'll go to the bigger beach as well. And then we will show you that bigger beach and smaller beach. It's very hot right now here. I feel like I'm being fried in an oven, but still, you know, it's very hot. My God. मैले अहिलेसम्म छोएको थिइनँ है समुद्रको पानी हो सियो मैले फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ समुद्रको पानी छुएको छु समुद्र आमामा लेट्स गो लिटिल बिट इनसाइड यो चाहिँ समुद्र हो हैन पानी to the side where the tears came down from the statue of Mother Mary. That's why this place is very famous for that. So we'll be visiting that place as well soon. But for the first, we'll be going towards this, the big statue of Jesus, where many people have gathered around. We'll also go take some pictures and then voila, we'll go to Mother Mary side and then we'll go to other places as well. Such a peaceful place. Yeah, might be bigger than our house. Such a peaceful environment, the place, the vibe, the moment. If your family is Christian or any other religion, you can come and enjoy here. You can see even Mati, he's not Christian but he's coming. What is that? Oh yeah, what is this? What is this? This one? Pakma? What is that? So we are trying to discuss what is this. They are discussing in their language. We are trying to understand. So what is this called? It's a betel nut. Okay, betel nut. Ah, yeah. Thank you so much. It's a betel nut. Betel nut. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. So we are wandering around the name and then suddenly, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping out. Yeah. My Sujan Tamang. We are Sujan Tamang. You didn't hear that?
No.
No. So we are from Nepal.
Nepal.
Yeah. You are from here only?
We are Chennai.
Chennai. So what's your good name?
My name is Suji.
Suji.
Yeah.
Suji full name?
Suji Delphine.
Delphine.
Suji Delphine.
Okay, very difficult for us to pronounce, right? And our name also very difficult for you to pronounce. Yeah, good to see you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, brother. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Yeah. Look at Jesus statue, guys. Wow. Jesus is calling us. He's calling us, telling, come to me, my child. So we are going. What is this? Is a sweet?
That is orange. It's an orange sweet.
This is from Chennai?
Yeah.
Oh wow, thank you. So we can take one?
Yeah, you take.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, this one we used to get like orange ball.
Oh, yeah.
It's not available there. Yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sukriya solle. Solle. Sukriya.
So you study English in your school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you understand English?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are studying which class, Nani?
Solle. Which class படிக்கிறேன்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
5th standard. Okay. So you have to learn English like your mom. She's so good. She's extrovert, you know. You also have to be like that. Yeah, thank you so much. So good to see you. Thank you. She just gave us the sweet, and these sweets are the sweetest sweet ever because we got it for free, obviously. But not about the free. It's the context of love, you know, like obviously you can see I'm talking from the beginning, the difference between the Delhi people and the difference between the South people, because we went to Delhi no any kind of response. People were rude. And then here, all of a sudden, everyone is sweet. Everyone is trying to help you out. So I think this is a good place to visit. This is the statue of Jesus. You can see, oh my God, as if Jesus is trying to rise, right? You can see all the texture, you know, like it looks like Jesus is trying to rise. Okay, so that means, do you want tea or not, right? Okay, so do you have coffee? Coffee? No coffee. No coffee.
Black coffee, milk chaya.
So milk tea and black tea only.
Black coffee.
Sukumali coffee, tea sundar. Sukumali coffee, tea sundar.
How much? How much? 10 only? Only 10? Nice. They are asking only 10, right? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Hanu. Yeah. Thank you. छ लङ सुक भन्छ त्यो त सुकमली भन्छ
सुकमली
सुकमेल ओ सुकमेल
स्पाइसी टेस्टी फर स्पाइसी
स्पाइसी भन्छ मिठो हुन्छ सुकमेल हाल्नु भएको चाहिँ सुकमेल त्यही भएर सुकमली भन्नुभएको चाहिँ सुकमेल हालेर हैन सो सी हेज केप्ट ओभर द सुकमेल सो द्याट्स इज सुकमली in our country it is called sukmel yeah here called sukamali nice
Sukamali, and in our country there is flower named Makhamali.
Nice. You are also from here? You are also from here? From here only? So you, that side? Okay. I didn't understand, but I understood your language. Kind of. Yeah. So she is calling in a very good way, you know, calling people for the tea. So I ate the tea.
Little, what you learn?
Huh?
Understand?
I can do that. I can do that. Do you want to try?
Little.
I can try.
Little, okay.
You want me to try? Sukamali coffee?
Not like this.
No.
What it is you?
No. Oh.
Video is there at the top. Sukamali coffee.
Sukamali coffee? What? No. You taught me one language, right? For little, what do you say?
Sukamali coffee.
No. For little, what do you say?
Little, what is
You taught me, no, in the morning. This.
Big, small, big. చిన్నది పెరుసు
చిన్నదే పెరుసు
పెరుసు
I'm learning. Sundar, right? Sundar. Sukamali coffee, tea, Sundar.
సుండల్
I'm learning. Sukamali coffee, tea, Sundar. Sukamali coffee, tea, Sundar. So I can call like that, right? Anyone? Yeah, super. Yeah, thank you. I'm learning. I don't know.
All people is coming. Sukamali to coffee.
Okay, I'll tell them. Small children. I'll call for you, small children. I'll try to call. Sukamali coffee, tea, Sundar, madam. Sir? Sukamali coffee, tea, Sundar. Sir, listen, sir. No? Okay. I'm trying my best to call them, but they are not coming.
Sukumali coffee, tea sundar.
Sukamali coffee, tea, Sundar, sir. No? Okay. I tried. Difficult, very difficult to do. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, very difficult to do. Yeah, already. So we have already passed, you know, like the big statue of Jesus Christ. Now we are going towards the place where we can buy the rosary for us. No. Let's throw that in dustbin, brother. Zero civic sense, guys. Zero civic sense. We have to throw that in dustbin.
I have zero civic sense.
You have to throw this in dustbin. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on.
Yes, your civic sense is becoming greater, but smaller than mine.
Oh, yeah. That's why you threw this on the ground.
My
Come on, we are
civic sense
tourists.
is 1, your civic sense is minus 100.
Yeah, we have to throw that in the dustbin. We are tourists. We should not be making it dirty, you know. So this is the place. So in the morning we did not come to this place, I think. Yeah, in the morning we didn't come here. Is this a kind of like a main church also? This is also main church? Main? No? Or no? Oh. So we have not gone to this place in the morning.
Let's sing.
Yeah.
Jesus, children.
Oh, Jesus blessing to children. So we have not gone to this place in the morning. My God, that means we have not even, you know, like in the morning we did not even go to half of the place. We thought we went to half. No, we have not even gone to like 2%. So this is the place where Jesus, not exactly the place, but they are trying to make, it looks like that Jesus is trying to give blessing to the children. So if you come to Velankani, this is the place, a must place that you have to visit. Wow. But some people are throwing water bottles. Civic sense, you know. Okay, God, Jesus Christ, give us blessing. Forgive us our sins. Lead us not into temptation. Such a nice place. It's the first time I'm coming to this place. Such a beautiful sunset, the view, the vibe, the perfect moment for everything, you know. And if you guys are from Nepal or if you guys are from the place where it is very cold, typically it is very cold, do roam around this evening time. It's a very good time for you to roam around. Even though we are sweating right now, even though it's hot, but comparatively, if you compare with the hotness, the warmth of the, you know, like the daytime, the nighttime is quite peaceful. Also, they are doing mass. Also, this is way of the cross. Oh, they are about to end it. So we cannot go that side. Can we go that side to buy? Oh, there is the place where you can buy rosary there. Yeah, straight. We can go. I think we can go from here, brother. Yeah. No, from there we can go and there. We have to reach there. That place, no? We can reach there. Yeah. That is the place that we have to reach because in the morning we bought it from there. So. The people, the weather, you can see such a beautiful sunset from here. Tomorrow morning we'll be going towards the beach and then we can continue there the vlog in two languages, Nepali and English. But right now we are doing only vlog in English. And this is the place where you will get all those blessing and knowledge. Not obviously knowledge also if you ask for the knowledge. And I was showing you in the beginning, this is the ending. So you come here and you end. So this is the ending for 1.5 kilometer up to that. So this is the end. And once you complete this end, this is where you do, you know, like 1.5 kilometer. Many of them are doing it. Did you complete 1.5 kilometer? Did you complete? Yeah, you completed, right? High five. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. So I was talking with that boy, two of my friends. They are lost. Oh, they went this side. Okay. I think this is the place where the Mother Mary tears fell down.
$10 होला क्या
Yeah. They're trying to make here a pond.
Ladies water. இது என்ன இது எதுக்கு மாதா குளம் எப்படி சொல்றது?
So what is this for? They are trying to make a pond here.
We heard the Mother Mary came.
Mother Mary உடைய water.
Oh, blessing water. So this is the blessed water.
Blessing water. First time.
She came and blessed this water. So we cannot take that water.
No.
We can drink that. We can go now. No. Oh, so we have to go from that side.
Other side is there.
Oh, from there. Okay. Otherwise, I would have gone and drank that. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh, so. Now I understood. So this is the place where Mother Mary came and then she blessed this water. So that's why this water is very holy. People regard it as the holiest. So now we are again back to the place where we can buy the rosary. So we will be buying the rosary again. Huh? Oh, let's go and buy from here. Yeah. Let's go. The blessed one. Yeah, guys, thanks to Mathi and thanks to our brother, we got what we needed. You can see it's already dark, but still we are getting sweat in all our body. We are feeling hot right now, and it's not that much strange that people over there, here, everyone, they offer their hair to the god. They make it bald, and then they offer it to the god. I don't even know why they're doing it, but I haven't even asked anyone. So it might be some kind of for the blessing, which is good because we love our hair a lot. And for that, if we can sacrifice our hair, that means we can sacrifice anything. So it shows a dedication and love and devotion towards the god. We got the candle, we got whatever we came for. It's already blessed. Now we are going back to our hotel, and then tomorrow morning we'll be going to the beach.